Saturday is the final full day at AirVenture, and tonight the sky goes out with a bang. FLT-LAB with your Day 6 recap from Oshkosh.
The day began with a salute to veterans, a parade of former service members at the Warbirds in Review ramp, honoring those who served. It is one of AirVenture's most moving traditions.
The 2:15 Airshow delivered another packed lineup of warbirds, aerobatics, and military demos, the last full-length show of the week. The Red Arrows flew their second of 3 weekend performances, filling the expanded aerobatic box with precision formation flying.
As the sun set, the crowd gathered for the second and final night airshow, AirVenture's biggest evening event of the week.
Illuminated aircraft took to the dark sky, trailing pyrotechnics and LED lights. Nathan Hammond's Super Chipmunk Ghost Rider lit up the field with sparks and fire trailing from its wings.
1,000 drones painted an American flag and the number 250 in the sky. The wall of fire exploded down the flight line, and a fireworks finale closed the show under the Oshkosh stars.
Sunday is the final day. The air show starts at 1 p.m. The Red Arrows fly their last Oshkosh show, and Oshkosh native Lily Kruger sings the national anthem. If you are here, savor every moment.
From warbirds to night air shows to 1,000 drones over Wisconsin, it has been an unforgettable week. This is FLT-LAB signing off from AirVenture Oshkosh.